Why should I seal coat my parking lot, Alex? Well, do you change the oil in your car? Or do you drive around for 30 to 40,000 miles until your car completely breaks down on the side of the road and they say, well, time to go buy a brand new car? Or do you change the oil every 5,000 miles or so that the car can actually last you 300,000 plus miles? Do you really want to buy a brand new car every year? You see, it's the same thing with parking lots. If you don't do proper seal coat maintenance every 3 to 5 years, you'll have to completely tear out that parking lot and repave it every 12 to 14 years. But if you do proper seal coat maintenance, that lot is going to last you 30, 40, maybe even 50 years. You might not have to repave your parking lot ever again.